Hello, my name is Jordan and I work for Sally Holland. Sally Holland is the Children's Commissioner for Wales. Sally's job is to make sure that all children in Wales get their children's rights. Children's rights are the things that you need to grow up feeling happy, healthy and safe. Today, we are going to be thinking about Article 27. I have the right to a proper house, food and clothing. In this video, I am going to share an activity for you to think about your right to a safe place to live. After the first activity, I have added some other ideas to the activity sheet that you could try too. You can pause the video whenever you need to. Activity 1. You will need paper, pens, and our activity sheet. Ask an adult to help you get the things you need. Pause the video if you need to. First, you need to draw your home. What does it look like? Who lives with you? My home looks like this. If you don't want to draw your home, you could make a 3D model out of recycling. Pause the video so you can draw your home. Next, think about 5 different things you need in your house to grow up feeling happy, healthy and safe. You can use our activity sheet to help you think of some answers. Write or draw your answers around your home. Pause the video to write or draw your answers. In my home, I have written, I need an adult to support me. I need healthy food. I need clean water. I need clothing. And I need to feel safe. Share your ideas with an adult. My last activity is an extra idea you could try if you want. Think about your favourite character from a book or film. Think about what their home looks like. Is it a home that keeps them happy, healthy and safe? I hope you enjoyed this activity. I'll be back next month with another right for you to think about. Goodbye.